I have it in the bathtub. It works. And this spinner also can be used. It's for the rinse too. The water comes out of here. It's making a noise because I have it a little bit uneven, but it actually works. Water intake. This is also water intake, but this is for the washer. There you go. 15. Normal. This is for soft, of course, clothing. And the drain, which is right here. Very easy. And spin it. When I spin it, I go ahead and put the water. I made my own little hose contraption and put it in here and just rinse. It actually works. I think this is like 25 or 26. This works. It's been a lifesaver because the certain situation that is happening right now all over the globe. I could wash certain things here. I actually even washed a small wool blanket. Actually, it was a pretty large wool blanket. It's great. I love it. I have the mat because it's just for safety reasons. And again, the noise is because you can see I didn't adjust it correctly, but it works. I would recommend it. It's a little bit heavy, you know, but not too heavy. I could pick it up. And it actually works. I love it. I've actually recommended it to several of my friends.
These are your controls. There's your water inlet right here. This is where you wash it. You'll turn it around and this will be on normal. And then there is your spin cycle. As you can see, I have washed a few things. And when you wash them, you put it on drain. When you put it in the dryer, you've got this little gadget. Lift it up. Put that down in to hold it. Close it. Then you put it on spin. And it has a drain, which you just put in the commode. And this is the best little washer and dryer I have ever seen.